Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Super Gamma Blast in Xenoverse 2. This powerful ultimate attack is a fan favorite, and I'll guide you through the exact steps to add it to your character's arsenal. We'll cover everything from the necessary downloadable content to the specific mission you need to complete. Get ready to boost your combat potential. Before diving into the mission, ensure you have the Hero of Justice Pack 1 downloadable content installed. Super Gamma Blast is exclusively found within this pack. Once you have the DLC, you'll need to access Parallel Quest 158, titled Beat Bulma's Minions. Preparing a character with strong Kai and ultimate charge can significantly help your success. To obtain Super Gamma Blast, you must successfully complete Parallel Quest 158. Focus on achieving an ultimate finish, as this greatly increases your chances of the skill dropping. A crucial objective is to protect Gamma 2 throughout the mission. Try to clear the quest as fast as possible, aiming for a completion time under 7 minutes for the best results. Once you've acquired Super Gamma Blast, you'll find it's a versatile 3-bar ultimate attack. It boasts excellent tracking and can be charged for increased damage, making it a solid choice for finishing combos. Remember that skill drops are based on random number generation, so multiple attempts might be necessary. For more gaming tips and other great deals, including a link for Little Tree's Black Ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.